Welcome back. We are here to showcase brimming talent of our beloved students. A good orator is the one who makes his audience enjoy his speech. Orators of Boys Town School proved their mettle in the English Elocution competition. All the budding orators showcased their talents with voice modulation and characterization. They won the hearts of the audience and judges. The prize winners bagged a beautiful golden trophy with a certificate. The event took place in 3 stages, as English Elocution competition for Standard 5th and 6th was followed for Standard 7th and 8th. Students impressed the judges by their self-expression and confidence. All the prize winners showcased their talent with great fervor. Lastly, the most awaited and prestigious Putali by Irani English Elocution competition for Standard 9th and 10th was held. It was under the able judgment of 3 eminent senior judges. Our judges for this competition were Mrs. Kanta Patre, Mrs. Roma Rai Singhani and Mrs. Varsha Swaroop. The participants left no stone unturned to impress the judges and the audience with their public speaking skills. All the winners were rewarded with an elegant golden trophy and a certificate. Miss Geetika was awarded with the magnificent Putali by Irani trophy. On the auspicious occasion of completing 75 years of independence, an array of programs were celebrated. On 13th August, the national flag was unfurled by the head girl, Miss Palak Deshavari. As a mark of respect to the Army's contribution to independent India, on 14th August, flag hoisting was done by an ex-army officer, Subedar Nyandev Darekar. On 15th August, the national flag was unfurled with great respect by our Honorable Trustee, Mr. Neville Mehta Sir and Honorable Ratan Lat Sir. It was followed by the national anthem. They were accompanied by the principals of all the 4 sections along with other dignitaries. This entailed a short celebration including speech and a patriotic group song. The program concluded with a national song. Ex-students and parents attended the program and felt blissful with the spirit of patriotism. To celebrate Azadi ka Amrit Mahotsv, National Anthem was sung at 11 am all across the country. To imbibe the virtues and acknowledge the importance of tricolor, students performed Pathanatya about the national flag. Interactive club activities motivate one's growth and education in human relations and personal development. In similar light, Say No to Plastic Drive was conducted by the active interactive club members of Boys Town School. It was inaugurated by our Honorable Principal, Dr. Swamini Wagh Ma'am, along with other dignitaries. We aim to give better leaders to society. Keeping this in mind, we had arranged a session on Leader in Me conducted by Geetika ma'am for students of Standard 10. Open house meetings are important for the parents in order to get to know better about their children, academic excellence, behavior toward other people, fields of interest and curriculum. The parents come to school to freely interact with teachers about their children and also get to know about the weak areas where they need to work for the holistic development of their kids. Boys Town every year celebrates Sanskrit Day to enlighten new generations about the mother of all languages. This year's celebration comprised of interesting programs presented by students. All the participants performed in pure Sanskrit language. This created an aura of spirituality all around. Stay tuned with us for more fun-packed activities and competitions in the upcoming episodes. Thank you for being with us on this wonderful journey.